Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or display multiple operating systems if you have dual boot or multi-boot enabled on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you want to prompted to select an operating system when your computer boots up, in today's video I show you guys how to enable that option. Just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Comes up view advanced system settings, click on open it. Under the startup and recovery, select settings, and in here you just need to check mark this time to display list of operating systems. You just need to check mark it, and then you can select how many seconds you want the operating system to be displayed. If you want to select the default operating system, then you just need to click on this drop down and select the default one. That would load you into automatically if you did not make selection here, and select OK for save changes, and now select OK, and that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.